Hello all, welcome to the Cloud DevOps Guru channel. Today we are going to discuss about the how to become a cloud engineer. So you wanted to become a cloud engineer and you have no idea where to start. Then we will understand the step by step how to become the cloud engineer now. Cloud engineering is the highly demanded technology in the market. So most of the companies are looking who is the having a good experience in the cloud, but they are not able to find out the who is the having the good skill set in the cloud. So currently in the market we have the three popular clouds like AWS, Azure, and GCP. The most popular one is the AWS. AWS has the 50% shares in the market now. So, but Azure is frequently increasing their shares in the market. If you are starting the career, so if you are looking to start the as a cloud engineer freshly now, so I will suggest you either you can select the AWS or either you can select the Azure. Both will have the better openings in the market now. So if you are starting as the fresher, so then I will suggest you to choose the AWS because it has the more openings and you will has the more chances to recruit in the organization. So for example, if you learn the any one cloud, so you will easily learn the another cloud also. For example, you have the better idea about the AWS, then you can easily switch to the Azure or GCP also. So nowadays, current trend is the current trend of the organization is they are looking for the hybrid clouds, means they are not looking completely about the one cloud, means they are choosing the multiple clouds, and which cloud is serving the better services for their project, they are choosing based on that cloud. Okay, then now we will understand how to start the uh, uh, learning the cloud step by step. Steps to learn the cloud. Step first, you should become the strong in the fundamentals. Fundamentals. Fundamentals are nothing but the networking, networking. Second, operating system. What is the operating system? How operating systems will be work? Then virtualization. So when you want to learning the cloud, so virtualization becomes the important because how virtualizations work, so that virtualizations used in the cloud also. Then you should become a familiar with the database, any one database. Then you should have the good knowledge on the Linux operating system. So if you are looking the free Linux course, so already I had covered the most of the Linux videos and shell scripting videos in my channel. Please go and watch those videos. That will make you capable to work in the organization. Okay, these are some of the fundamentals which you have to have the knowledge before starting the any cloud. After that, you have to learn about the some of the knowledge about the DNS. Then you have the knowledge about the DHCP. So these some of the fundamentals which you have to cover before starting the any cloud. Then second step, step 2, choose any cloud. Either you can choose the AWS, either you can choose the Azure or GCP. All are having the better market and better openings in the current market. Okay. Then step 3, learn the native services. So like you should have better knowledge on the networking in the cloud. You should have the better knowledge on the compute services. What are the compute services are available in the in that cloud? You should have the better knowledge on those services. On third is the database services. Database services. Fourth, storage services. Fifth is the file system services, file sharing services. Then you have the containerization services. Containerization services. So before starting the containerization services, you should have the knowledge about the Docker and Kubernetes. Means you have to learn about the Docker and Kubernetes before starting the containerizations in the cloud. Then user management in the cloud. Then you should learn about the CI/CD native tools. CI/CD native tools. Native services with Jenkins. Why I'm suggesting here the Jenkins? Because most popular CI/CD tool in the market as of now is the Jenkins. Because of that, I'm suggesting you to learn the Jenkins with the native services. If you learn the any CI/CD tool, so you will get the better idea about the how to automate the all the services using the our CI/CD tool. Then step 4 is the no, no sorry. Step 4 is the learn the automation using native CLI. So nowadays everyone is looking forward about the automation. No one is looking for the you have the knowledge in the cloud using the UI. So they are not looking that. So nowadays everyone looking for the automation. So because of that you learn their native CLI with shell scripting. Because most of the interviewers nowadays are asking about the shell scripting when you are going to the interview. So while learning their CLI, you can write there and also learn the shell scripting and automate that CLI with our shell script and write the small shell script for automate the services. So this is the step 4. Then you can learn about step 5 is the learn the native infra provisioning. For example, if you are learning the AWS, you should learn about the cloud formation. So most of the companies are using their native infra provisioning tools also, like cloud formation and ARM template. If you are learning the Azure, you should learn about the ARM template. Okay, then step 6 is the you should learn about the Terraform. Why I'm suggesting you to learn about the Terraform? Because when you are working with the multiple clouds, so those native infra provisioning tools are not helpful, because if you are working with the AWS and also Azure, your organization has choose the hybrid model, then you cannot automate using the one native tool. You have to learn the both. If you have the knowledge of Terraform, then you no need to work on those native tools. You directly automate the infra using the Terraform will work on any virtualization platform. Terraform will work on the uh, it will work on the with the AWS. It will work on the Azure. It will work with the GCP. It will work on the Alibaba cloud. It will work with the Oracle cloud. It will work with the VMware also. VMware also. So Terraform will automate any virtualization platform in the market. Okay. So because of that, I'm suggesting you to learn the Terraform. After finishing these all the steps, step 7 is the you should have the knowledge about the any one programming language, but I am suggesting you to learn the Python. So because nowadays Python is the most popular programming language with the cloud. Okay, after finish these all the technologies, these all learnings which I mentioned above, so you should automate this whole process using the your CI/CD tool. You can automate using the Jenkins, or you can automate using the your native CI/CD tool. Then create one sample project with using your automation. Okay, then you finish your cloud learning journey. So that's it from my end today. So whatever I wanted to share, how to become the cloud engineer, this is the my experience, how I learned the cloud. So I thought it will help you while you are learning journey. So because of that, I had shared this. So if you if you like this journey, or like these steps, please like my video, comment and suggest what you required in the future video. So also you can subscribe my channel and share this channel with your friends. Thank you. Thank you for listening this session.